Hey everyone, friends have been asking. Today I'll show you what to do and how to fix a non-working gyroscope issue in PUBG. So let's get started. First, let's go into Settings, Sensitivity, Gyroscope, and make sure it's enabled here. If this button doesn't work, then go to Settings. Here, look for PUBG. Now here, you need to go through Storage. Go through Storage. And here you can delete it and reinstall. Just tap Delete, Delete, then download it again. Next, if that doesn't help, go to Search, type PUBG, and turn on everything that's not enabled here, okay? Also check the permissions, right? Because if you don't have access, now there's no such feature on iPhone, but on Android you need to give it permission to your functions like microphone, camera, and so on. One of them might be responsible for the gyroscope. So you need to enable all functions for it. And that's it. Hope this helped. Also try restarting your phone and check if there are any updates available. That might help too. This has been me. See you later.